frequently used element of the circuit design is the power rails or global signals. So in my case, in my library, I have a symbol for the 0 volts, the 1.8, 2.5, 3.3, 12 and 15, for example. And I may wish a few more, so I'm just going to show you how simple it is to add additional ones so I can utilize them and be more efficient in my circuit design. One way to do it is, firstly, I can edit an existing symbol and I can just modify the symbol settings to say this is a 1.2 volt. You'll notice for the part name I can change that on both power and ground symbols, so I can modify that. And there we have changed it, so I'll do a file, save as, and save the symbol as a 1v2, obviously. So there we have our 1.2 volt symbol. Another way to do it is, for example, if I was to take one symbol, I can do a copy symbol and paste. And I'll call this one a 5 volt. Just edit the symbol. Yes, continue. I'm just going to modify the settings to say this is a 5 volt. OK. And let's close and save yes. I've got the library of my common ones with the 5 volt and the 1.2 volt. Now let's move to the schematic editor to see the global signals in my design. Now moving to the schematic editor where I create my circuit design. I have an area here where I need to put a particular power connectivity, be that through a pull-up resistor or so forth. The first thing to do is to add a symbol, which I can do from here, or as I have the library search already open, I can just toggle to the symbols palette. And you can see my 1.2 volt that I just created and my 5 volt symbols. So it's as easy as just double clicking on these just to place them into the circuit area if I wanted. There's a 1.8 volt, and if I wanted my 5 volt, I can equally connect it directly onto the pin. And if I just drag away, I can just show that the auto connect worked to the pin. So it's really very simple to add them to your library, your common use power rails. Then you've got them available, and due to my naming convention, they're at the top, which makes it easier for me. But equally, I could add them to place them using the quick access toolbar and user customization functions. So that's a really fast, efficient, easy way to place global signals to a circuit design.